That's what it feels like, at least, right? All right, let's see if it goes live. Really? Okay. 4-hour parallel channels. Let me some parallelograms. And look at that. I think we're working. I think we're twerking. I don't think my disclaimer came up on the stream. All right, there's a disclaimer. Good morning, everyone. We are live on the interwebs. Hope you all are having a good Friday morning. Have your cup of rocket fuel, because I know I do have my cup of rocket fuel. Have you guys been reading Makaram's newsletter? Some good stuff in there. Not trading options today. I'm going to stick solely to futures today. Yeah, he's got a pretty great newsletter he's putting together each and every morning. So if you guys check your inbox, there are some great tidbits of information, you know. So let's go over Makaram's topics on his newsletter today. So he says Friday, March 20th, Wall Street is staring down the largest March triple witching in recorded history. Well, okay, so this is the biggest in history, huh? Roughly 5.7 trillion in stock options, index options, and index futures expire today. And that's happening on the same day as the quarterly S&P rebalance. Translation, volume is going to be absurd, and every tick near the open and close will be amplified. All right. So we got some good news right there, right? We got some volatility coming in, you know, largest rebalance in history. Shit. Where are we going? Which way will she go? I haven't even taken a look at the options chain. Futures are soft heading in to Nasdaq at 24,452, ES at 6,635, the Dow at 46,205, and the Russell at 25K. Crude is pulling back to 46.68 as the Iran de-escalation chatter picks up, while gold and silver are bouncing after yesterday's wipeout. Gold up 1.26% and silver up 1.25%. The VIX sits at 24.86, positive 3.37 as fear is elevated heading into expiration. 5.7 trillion in triple witching hits today, the largest March options expiration in Citigroup data going back to 1996. Ooh, all right, back to the 90s. 4.1 trillion in index contracts alone. Citadel Securities called it a clearing event for Gamma that could ease some of the mechanical forces constraining the S&P. Expect 3 times the normal volume and sharp moves near the open and close. All right. So, yeah, no, the narrative's been the same on Fridays, is that we show up early for work and we call it a day early because, hey, it is Margarita Friday. And God knows I need one right now. All right. FedEx crushes Q3 and raises full year guidance. FedEx reported 5.25 EPS versus 4.16 estimates on a 24 billion in revenue, beating across the board.